How to heal leaky gut naturally. 1. Adjust your diet. Eliminate trigger foods. Remove processed foods, refined sugars, gluten, dairy, and artificial additives, as these can irritate the gut lining. Eat whole foods. Focus on fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats like olive oil and avocado, and gluten-free grains. Include gut-healing foods. Add bone broth, fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt, and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and chia seeds. 2. Support digestive health. Take probiotics. Probiotic supplements or probiotic-rich foods help restore healthy gut bacteria. Consider digestive enzymes. These can assist in breaking down food and reducing gut irritation. 3. Reduce inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods. Turmeric, ginger, leafy greens, and berries can help calm inflammation. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to support digestion and detoxification. 4. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques. Yoga, meditation, deep breathing, and regular exercise can reduce stress, which is linked to gut health. 5. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and restore. 6. Avoid unnecessary medications. Limit the use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen and antibiotics unless prescribed, as they can disrupt gut health. 7. Consult a healthcare professional. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare provider or nutritionist for personalized advice and testing.